Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Zero to Infinity. So in this video I will tell you how to fix the problem came in Aplex Legend that this account could not meet age requirements. So it's a very simple problem and it's solved in only 2 minutes. So I hope you like this video and make sure you subscribe our channel Zero to Infinity. So let's start this video. So to fix this problem you need to first go to your device setting, and when you came in setting you need to scroll down and you see a option of apps. Click on it, and after you click on it you need to click on the manage apps option appear on the screen, and in manage apps different types of apps came out and you can manage them. So you need to search here Aplex Legend because you need to do some tricks and setting that helps to solve your problem. So you need to search Aplex Legend, and my Aplex Legend don't came because I uninstalled it due to some reasons. So I will tell you all the setting in Facebook Lite. So first you go to storage of Aplex Legend and clear all the data. In storage you need to clear cache and clear all data, and after clearing all the data you need to go back and go to app permission. In Aplex Legend app permission you need to enable all the permission one by one. So and then go to other permission. In other permission you also need to enable all the permission, and after that the strict data usage option came. You need to enable it, and at last of the page clear default option came out and you need to click on it, and after you click on it you need to restart your device, and after you restarting your device your problem will be solved. I hope you like this video and make sure you subscribe our channel.